Guys, don't mind my hair. I took my wig off this morning because it was so freaking itchy, but we have made it to Trader Joe's. So excited! Yay! Guys, so we are back home from Trader Joe's, and they did have a lot of fall items, but I only got about 4 or 5, I think. The rest of the items are just like some random stuff that I want to eat, so I don't have to keep eating out literally every day because I eat out every day. This is my second time at Trader Joe's. I actually love the store. I just wish it was bigger because there's so many people there and there's no room to like walk around. Like, people are standing behind me waiting, and I really hate that because I take forever in the store. But anyways, let's get started. Like I said, I got about 4 or 5 fall items and they're mixed in here, so you'll see them when you see them. Okay, the first thing I got was some bread. This is just some sliced French broche, whatever how you say it. This is just for my sandwiches. You'll see like the meat and the cheese I got for it. Well, actually, here's the cheese that I got. It's just some basic mozzarella cheese, 80 calories. I was gonna get provolone, but I didn't, and this stuff was kind of like in my car for probably 2 hours. So it is starting to melt, so I need to hurry up and get it in the fridge. The next thing, like, I got a whole new bunch of items that I never tried before, is this spinach dip, spinach and kale Greek yogurt dip. I wasn't sure if I wanted to try it because it was saying something about like yogurt, and I didn't know like yogurt goes in dip. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna bunch the fall items together actually. Then next I got just these squishers. I guess they're similar to Go-Gurt, but just more healthy, and it's only 60 calories. So that'll be a good nice snack. Then I'm actually like really excited to try this pasta. So this is Mediterranean style pasta salad with spinach and tomatoes. I did not realize I had tomatoes in it, but I can barely see the tomatoes. So this is just supposed to be kind of like you would just eat this for lunch and maybe like 10 pieces of chips, but who out there eats just 10 chips? But I'm gonna try to stick to my diet, a strict diet. I'm trying to lose like 20 pounds. Then next for my sandwiches is just this turkey. So I think I had this turkey one time before, but I'm not even sure. This is vegetarian diet. This is vegetarian? Didn't know. But so on my sandwiches, I just eat the bread, the meat, and the cheese, and salt, pepper, and vinegar. I have the vinegar at home already. We just have strawberries, basic strawberries, organic. Next thing I'm really excited to try are these organic blue corn tortilla chips. I'm gonna try them with that spinach dip. They look very well seasoned, but they could be fooling me. But yeah, so I'm kind of nervous, but I am excited to try some new things. And also I'm going to be making toast in the morning, just 1 piece of almond butter toast I can eat. Almond butter is so much more expensive than regular peanut butter, and it's like annoying, but and it literally tastes the same. I guess it is a longer maybe process to make it, but I don't even know how they make peanut butter, so I don't know if it is. This is my mom's, but I'm still gonna show you spicy chapri mix. It's crunchy spicy Indian style snack mix. I don't really know how you eat this, or do you eat it just straight out of the bag? Like, if you try any of these items before, let me know, please. I guess it's another item my mom put in the cart. I paid for all this. She didn't even tell me that she was putting this in there. Chicken noodle soup with vegetables. Oh, I forgot I got these organic frosted pastries. So this is like Pop-Tarts, I guess, and they look very bland though. 360 calories, so I can eat that one day for breakfast with like some juice or something. But hopefully it has a lot of flavor because it barely looks like there's any frosting on this. So okay, so these are actually the bread that I picked out. It's hot dog buns, but I like to put my sandwiches on this. The other bread I guess was my mom. And then lastly, for all the regular items, for the regular items are just these super huge grapes, and I'm so excited for them. Okay, so let's get into the fall items. So exciting. Okay, these Halloween chips, they are ghost bats, and I don't know if there's any like salt on them or anything, but it just says crispy potato snacks. So I guess these are like regular basic chips. I have pumpkin spice pretzel slims, so they just look like this. I just got things like to snack on. Oh, actual size, so they're pretty big. First I thought these are like eyelashes, but these are maple sugar candies. I'm not sure how I feel about these or how they're gonna even taste, but we're definitely gonna find that out. Gluten-free pumpkin pancake mix. Love the packaging. Okay. I barely and rarely cook, but I'm definitely gonna be making those pancakes. Pumpkin rolls. Then we have Halloween cookies. These kind of remind me of Oreo. It just says chocolate pumpkin based cookies with vanilla bean cream. So that's why I said it reminds me of an Oreo, because it just looks like that. And it feels pretty heavy. There must be like a lot in here. Then lastly, I got these Petite pumpkin spice cookies. They're shortbread cookies with pumpkin spice and yogurt coating. This is the front right here. And this is just what it looks like. So coming up in my vlogs, I'm gonna be tasting these, and maybe tomorrow I'll do like a taste test on these items. That is it for this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and